Hello, this is I Like Star Wars 473 again, and this is the shooting test for my CYMA MP5 Airsoft gun. And I do not have enough BBs today to fill the high cap magazine, so I will be using the 20 round magazine. And if you did not see my annotation on my review for this gun, I just used the speed loader to load it. So I was kind of stupid for saying it didn't come with a loader, but whatever. And I'm going to fire about 5 or so shots on semi-auto to the left of that weird cross symbol thingy, and then 5 or more fully automatic shots on the right of that weird thingy. And I will begin right now. This is semi-automatic. Fully automatic. Okay, let us see the results. On semi-automatic, they're mostly close together, although there are a few stray ones here, but most were here. Then on fully automatic, it wasn't all that accurate. They're in about within 3 inches of each other, so I guess that's not that bad. So thanks for watching this video.